huaqiangbei and brought back a haul of our tiniest cell phones. These are phones with very limited functionality, but they're very easy to hide and cheap, about $15 or less. Some of them are common prison contrabands. You'll see why. Okay, first one, it's a credit card phone. It's thin enough to put in your wallet. Let's turn it on. Let's go to the menu and see if there's anything interesting. They have a FM radio. Yeah, let's check the FM radio. None of these phones have a lot of features, but the big feature are price and size. This phone has a size of a credit card, and I can compare it to a pencil, and it's even thinner than a pencil. Let's unbox the next one. This one might look a little bit familiar. Looks like an old version of the Nokia cell phone, and but it's much smaller. And I think the biggest feature of this one is it has 2 SIM card slots, if I'm right. So let's open it and take a look. So in here you can see there dual SIM card slot. Now let's power it on. Okay, this one has nothing special, but it has some basic functions just like the first one. Now let's move on to the other one. This one is not as small as the other ones. I don't know if it would make a good contraband phone, but the case is, the enclosure is different from the other one. It feels much nicer. Let's turn it on. No battery? Strange. Oh. So it takes a while to boot up. Same has radio and SOS setting. Status on. SOS contacts, so I can put an emergency contacts inside and probably dial a number, and then they will go directly to that person. Cool. Okay, I'm told that they sell a lot of this kind of mini cell phones as prison phones. I look at the size of my compared to my face. I guess if you don't have a choice, you'll probably smuggle it into a prison, like in any ways. You know what I'm saying? But I wouldn't want to try. Let's see what either functionality it has. So the biggest feature of this phone, you can see at the back, there is you can put an ear plug in and use it as a headset. Like this. Now this one is not super tiny, but it is super cute and it's under $20. I was like, why not? Let me show it to you. Looks like there's more functionality. But there's no English on this one. Oh, really? Unfortunately, it doesn't have English. I can translate it to you. Let me see if there's anything interesting. So, oh, at the back there is a tiny camera, so you can record and you can take a picture. Let's go back. And there is a song player, a media player with, oh, there is some music in it. Is there? So you can use it as an MP3 also, and there is the video player. You can watch videos on here, and there's a recorder. You can record. Okay, let's hit record. Hello, can you hear me? Okay, that's it. Save, successful save. No.
Hello, can you hear me?
Oh, not bad. Okay, these phones, they just have very basic functions, but they're very interesting, and I think it's a good gift for kids, and it's only under $20. I don't know if it works outside of China though. But if you want to see another haul like this, or you want to see more interesting stuff from Shenzhen or markets from Shenzhen, let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.